So today we got one question for you. You ever tried crack?
Hell no. I had to give it to y'all like, nah.
Nah, we fuck with it.
Yeah,
Be
yeah.
real. So these are our infamous crack wings. They're not as fresh as they normally would be. We want you, give us your honest opinion. If you don't like them, say it.
Look like you got some, that don't look more than crack, it look like cocaine.
A little booger sugar, you know what I'm saying? A little booger sugar.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I just tried crack. Shit, it's good as fuck.
All right,
You see why folks addicted to this shit, bro?
we appreciate y'all. Y'all come on out to the band, all right?